Hi guys, look, I know it's been a long time, and if you're wondering if it's me, it is me. Okay, this is the new world we're in right now, where you have to go everywhere with your nose mask, your hand gloves, your sanitizers, just everything you need to stay safe. Okay, and the reason I have this mask on is because I'm about to step out. Not step out of my estate. I'm just going to buy some things within my estate because I want to cook. I want to try and get plantain. I want to make beans and plantain. But the reason I turned this on is because it's been a long time since I turned on my camera to vlog. The only reason I've been turning on this camera is because I've been making videos for Austin Betha channel. I've just been giving updates and all that stuff. I can function there because all I need to do with the editing is cut and join. I don't have to do a lot of transitions and whatnot. So my sister's laptop can, you know, handle that, but it cannot really handle stuff for Betha's corner, which is why I've not really put out any content. Plus, I've been really down. My eyes have been giving me great issues. I've still not sorted that out. I will do so next week. By the way, today is the 9th of May and the lockdown was eased about a few days ago. Today is actually Saturday, so it was eased on Monday. But to be honest, I've not stepped out because I feel a certain way about just stepping out. I feel like the government is low-key saying, go ye into the world and multiply. You know, they want us to multiply this virus. So I'm just like, I need to wait. Whatever it is I have to do has to wait till next week, when I'm sure that the rush will not be like that. So yeah, every single thing I have to do, including my appointment with the optician, everything is next week. And I'm actually thinking of using this frame when I get to the optician because I think it looks cute. Let me know what you guys think about it. I've had it for a very long time now, but it's just a fashion glass. It's not medicated. But now, since I'm going to get glasses, I might as well just turn this into my medicated glasses because I like the frame. I like this whole is it tiger print or lion print, whatever print that is, I just like it. Okay, but let me know in the comment section what you guys think about it. All right, just out of curiosity, I would like to know, what kind of mask are you guys using? Are you using this Ankara made print? I really love this one though. I love it. Let me know what kind of mask you guys are using. Man, I look like a very beautiful ninja. How can you be this hot even in the mask? Like, yeah, better stop this rubbish. Stop this rubbish, guys. I can barely breathe in this thing. Oh. Forget all these things that were looking cute. This thing is not making life easy. But then if I have to wear this to be alive, then I can even wear 5 layers if they ask me to. Anyways, I just came here to let you guys know that I feel a lot better. And if you guys are watching this vlog, it means that I've sorted out whatever it is that was wrong with my laptop. Prudence Luminance, I'm sorry I did not reach out to you. I really just needed to get this fixed without having to step out of my house. So yeah, that's why I did not reach out to you, because I knew that for me to do that I might have to leave and, you know, all that stuff. Yeah, having said that, I need to step out of this house. Okay, guys, this kitchen is dark, yeah, but it's my brother that is making breakfast. We're making French toast. Yeah. How do you feel being in the kitchen?
It's a normal thing.
What's a normal thing if I slap you? You fear technique now. Now what? Guys, after my brother is done making this toast, we're going to have this with tea. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, I just got back here. These are the things I got, but I want to wash my hand first before I show you guys what I got. It wasn't a lot because I didn't want to step out of the estate. Guys, this is tomato and pepper, and this thing I see is 500 naira. Like, things are becoming very expensive. I also got fish. This is 1 kilo of mackerel fish, that's Titus. I want to make stew with this, so yeah, that's why I got it. Okay, I also got Cameroon pepper. These ones were selling for 50 naira each, and then crayfish 100 naira. I have some crayfish already in the house, but I just needed to add extra because of my beans. Now, Mama D, look at what I got. I told you I was going to get plantain, right? Look, I actually got this one for 500 naira. I saw the one you showed us on your vlog, and I was just like, oh my god, it means that I'll cry when I set out to buy plantain. But I was just lucky to find this one, and this one was actually selling for 500. So yeah, I'm going to make beans and plantain. That's actually why I bought it. What else? Well, that's basically everything I bought. Like I said, it wasn't a lot of things. I just wanted to get a few things for the house. Let me take out these glasses. Like, can I just be normal for a little bit? At least there's no ring light here. Yeah, so let me just get to work. Guys, it looks so good. Not only does it look so good, it actually tastes really good. You know, when I cook something, as far as it's me that cook it, just don't worry yourself. Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so this is the next day after I ate my beans and all that. To be honest, I couldn't vlog about any other thing. I was really tired, and I just felt like, you know what, I'll complete the vlog today. So I'm just here to round off this vlog. But before I do that, yeah, I just thought it would be nice for me to chook my mouth in small matters that do not concern me. I mean, it concerns me in a way, but like not directly. Okay, so I know that although my laptop wasn't working and all that, there was this whole gist about Port Harcourt YouTubers that was flying about on the internet, and I was following all the gist because I cannot come and carry last. Okay, but I just realized that the people involved, the parties involved in the whole quarreling and all that stuff, I'm not going to be mentioning names. I'm sure by now you guys already know those people who were involved in the quarrel and all that. But the whole point of the quarrel was that this one was saying, oh, these other YouTubers in Port Harcourt, they do not support smaller YouTubers there. They just have a clique that they, you know, share things, share ideas, and every single time a smaller YouTuber reaches out to them, they're always like, go and make sure your channel is like this, go and make sure you have this, go and make sure you have that. And I was just there like, alright, look, to be fair, I feel like all the ladies involved in this quarrel, all the ladies that had something to say about this whole quarrel, they all had their rights. You know, everything they said, they must have said it from a good place. Like, I'm not really sure anybody would just turn on their cameras and be like, you know what, today I'm going to mess you up, I'm going to mess a fellow YouTuber up. I don't know, do people do that? Let me know in the comment section, because I mean, that would be an insane thing to do. However, from everything that happened, from the whole quarrel, from this one saying, oh, you guys are pretending, you just help yourselves, to this one saying, look, nobody owes you jack. I mean, I climbed my ladder by myself, nobody held the ladder. Look guys, let me just tell you this, yeah, with this whole YouTube thing comes a lot of rejections, okay, comes a lot of hard work, comes a lot of frustration. At some point with your YouTube channel, you'll be frustrated. Now, you'll be lucky not to have those moments on your channel. Personally, I've been frustrated a lot of times. I mean, look at me, I'm still dealing with my whole monetization and getting my pin and all that stuff. So it's really frustrating, and we all have our phases where we're just like, you know what, let me reach out to other YouTubers. Now, the truth is, when you reach out to these other YouTubers, you need to go with an open mind, because it could be a yes or no. If I tell you the number of people that have said no to me, now just because I don't talk about it doesn't mean I've not had my fair share of rejection. A lot of YouTubers have told me no. Even YouTubers that right now, my Austin Better channel has more subscribers than they have more views than they have. But am I going to go about gloating and saying, oh, Shebi, people said no to me? No, that's not how it works, because guess what? Tomorrow, their own channel again might skyrocket and my own will still be in 17,000 plus. Do you get? It doesn't really mean that because they said no to you, then you're automatically not going to grow. That's a lie. That is a lie. If you have that mentality, then you might as well just take it off your mind now, especially if you're just starting out your YouTube channel. People will definitely tell you no. But the idea is, when they say no to you, you brace up, look for ideas, and build your channel. Now, let me state this here categorically, okay? With collaborations come a 50-50 chance of either blowing up or remaining where you were. So I don't want you to have this mindset that, oh, if I don't collaborate, my channel is never going to grow. You might collaborate with that big YouTuber and you still have your 10 subscribers, okay, and you might decide to post a personal video and you have like 20 subscribers. So you need to always find better ways to make your channel grow. Don't depend on anybody. That's what I'm trying to say, because if that was the case with me, then I'm sure that by now they're probably going to drink jig. Now, I said jig because it's jig that's right beside me. So when I pick out names like this, people should get used to it. I only pick out names of things that I can see around me. Okay, obviously I'm not going to be drinking jig for YouTube, but then you get my point, right? You need to just take out time, figure out what your channel is about, figure out what your goals and aspirations is for your channel, and then just find ways to make it work. Look, there's no topic on this YouTube that is new, okay? Look for topics that you feel like, oh, I can relate with this thing. Then put your personality into it. That's what people actually want to see. Now, let me give you guys an example, yeah? For Austin Better channel, you guys know that the bulk of what I do there is recap of shows and just commentaries on all this stuff, right? Now, let me tell you, there are tons of other YouTubers that do the same thing that I do, the exact same thing that I do, but the reason people would always come to my channel to watch it is because I have a personality that I feel like they can relate with. I don't know what this personality is all about, by the way, but I just figure that people like to hear me talk. Even when they actually watch the show, they will still come back to my channel to hear what I have to say. And let me shock you, I most times go to these other YouTubers' pages to also listen to what they say, and I go through their comments and I see that the same people that watch my videos and comment under my videos also watch these people. So it's about personality. It's not really about what you're saying, because to be honest, your own G self might be stale, but then they just want to hear you talk. Sometimes I don't post a video on something and people are like, Betha, what's up now? I want to hear from you. I actually want you to say these things about these things before I watch the show. So just be you. It might take a while for you to find your bearing and just know what exactly you want to do here on YouTube, but just keep pushing. And I think that because of this whole thing with YouTube and YouTubers having some sort of entitlement and just being confused about what to do, I might as well just start doing something for small YouTubers like myself, because I feel like if we can motivate ourselves and advise ourselves, then there's a better chance of us understanding what YouTube is about and just believing in ourselves more. So henceforth, I've decided that every month I will put out at least one video to sort of motivate YouTubers and just encourage us and advise us, basically, because I feel like the more aware we are about this whole thing, the better chance of us just believing in ourselves and pushing further without really waiting for collaborations and all that stuff. Look, I'm not Kelechi Meme now, so I might not be giving you guys those game kind of tips and all that stuff, but I feel like I must have something that I can share that will be beneficial to you guys. I feel like we can all just help ourselves grow and just be happy. This space is big enough. I mean, every other day there's a new YouTuber here on YouTube, so you cannot really say that there's nobody helping me, so my channel cannot grow. Yeah, that's basically everything I wanted to share with you guys. I think I'm going to start off this month with a shout out. I don't know, I might just do that. I'm not really sure yet, but whatever the case may be, I'm definitely going to be doing something for YouTubers every month on this particular channel. Alright, if you like that idea, let me know in the comment section. And if you have questions about YouTube, if you're a small YouTuber, if you intend starting your YouTube anytime soon, if you have any concerns whatsoever, just let me know in the comment section, and then I'll figure out the ones that I can answer. because me myself, I never sabi anything. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I know it wasn't a lot, but I wanted you guys to know that I'm back and better. And I'm sure you guys enjoyed my beans and plantain recipe. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If you're ever going to try it out, or if you've ever tried it out, let me know as well. Okay, thank you guys so much for your love. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on Saturday. Bye.